Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is TammyKikoy and thank you so much for clicking. Today guys, we'll be reacting to another 4th Impact video, and I received a request that they want me to react to the song cover Rockabye by Clean Bandit. So here's your request. So without any further ado, let's go and watch the video.
Call it love and devotion. Call it a mom's adoration. Foundation, a special bond of creation. For all the single moms out there going through frustration. Clean bandit, China ball, and Marie thing make them air.
She runs the nights by the water.
My lane.
She's gonna rest so far away from my father's daughter. She just wants a life for her baby. All on her own, no one will come. She's got to save him. She tells him, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you. She tells him your life ain't gonna be nothing like my life. You're gonna grow and have a good life. I'm gonna do what I've got to do. So rockabye, baby, rockabye. I'm gonna rock you. Rockabye, baby, don't you cry. Somebody's got you. Rockabye, baby, rockabye. I'm gonna rock you. Rockabye, baby, don't you cry. Rockabye. Single mama, you doing out there, facing your life without no fear. Just so you know that you really care, cause any obstacle come, you will prepare it. No mama, you never sit there, cause you have to set things year after year. And you give a youth love beyond compare. You find the school fee and the bus fare. Now in the pops is up there, in a wrong bag, can't find him nowhere. Steadily you walk flow, everything you know, so you're not stuck. No time for your jet. Now she got a 6-year-old, trying to keep him warm, try to keep out the cold. When he looks in her eyes, he don't know he's safe when she says, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you. So rockabye, baby, rockabye. I'm gonna rock you. Rockabye, baby, don't you cry. Somebody's got you. Rockabye, baby, rockabye. I'm gonna rock you. Rockabye, baby, don't you cry. Rockabye. Whoa. Rockabye, rockabye, yeah. Rockabye, rockabye. Rockabye, don't bother cry. Lift up your hand, lift it up to the sky. Rockabye, don't bother cry. Angels around you, just go away. Now she got a 6-year-old, trying to keep him warm, try to keep out the cold. When he looks in her eyes, he don't know he's safe, and she says, she tells him, oh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you. She tells him your life ain't gonna be nothing like my life. You're gonna grow and have a good life. I'm gonna do what I've got to do. I'm gonna rock you. Rockabye, baby, don't you cry. Somebody's got you. Rockabye, baby, rockabye. I'm gonna rock you. Rockabye, baby, don't you cry. Rockabye. Rockabye, don't wanna cry. Lift up your hand, lift it up to the sky. Rockabye, don't wanna cry. Angels around you. Rockabye.
Look at that. Rockabye, baby. Rockabye. 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 Yeah. This version of Rockabye Baby by Clean Bandit, performed by 4th Impact. Good, yeah. They were so legit. They can own a song. They can sing anything. They're great. They're brilliant. They are fantastic. Support Impact is a group where consists of different individuals. I mean, they're related by blood, but they have different talents and different personality. But when you put them together, boom! Wonderful group. Yeah, if you have any more Fourth Impact song you want me to react, please don't forget to drop your link below so that I can check the video. And if you're not yet part of the family, please click the subscribe button and the bell button for you to be notified every time I upload new video. And if you like this video, please give me a massive thumbs up. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye.